Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sumaya Ali and I'm a software and information system engineer. If this was your first time, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so you can receive all new updates from me. In the last video, I've created an AWS free account. If you haven't already, check my last video. I'll put the link in the description. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to secure our AWS account root user using multi-factor authentication. So let's get started. So what is the multi-factor authentication MFA? MFA is a security measure that adds an extra layer of protection when accessing a system, application, or resource. It requires users to provide multiple forms of identification to verify their identity. With MFA, users must go beyond just providing a username and password to prove who they are.
First of all, we need to sign in to the AWS Management Console. On the right side of the navigation bar, choose your account name and choose Security Credentials. Click on Assign MFA device. Type a device name. It can be anything. Choose Authenticator app and then choose Next. QR code graphic will be generated.
You need to download some kind of virtual MFA app on your mobile phone. I use Google Authenticator. Open the virtual MFA app on your device. The easiest way to configure the app is to use the app to scan the QR code.
Choose Show QR code. Then, follow the app instructions for scanning the code.
It's important to make a secure backup of the QR code or make sure that you enable multiple MFA devices for your account. You can register up to 8 MFA devices, so you can still sign into your account even if you lost your mobile phone for some reason.
The device starts generating 6-digit numbers. In the MFA code 1 box, type the one-time password that currently appears in the virtual MFA device. Wait up to 30 seconds for the device to generate a new one-time password. Then type the second one-time password into the MFA code 2 box.
Make sure to submit your request immediately after generating the code. If you generate the code and then wait too long to submit the request, the MFA device will become out of synchronize. This happens because time-based one-time password (TOTP) expire after a short period of time.
Finally, choose Add MFA. Congratulations, your account is now secured using the multi-factor authentication. The next time when you want to sign in to the AWS console, it will ask you to view your MFA device and type the authentication code in order to finish the signing in. If you have any questions about today's video, feel free to comment down below, and I'll try to help as many of you as I possibly can. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to make free courses just like this one. Thank you guys so many for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!